Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will see how to connect Excel file to Power BI desktop. First, let me open Power BI desktop. Meanwhile, I will just show the Excel file that we are going to use for this session, and I will also share the link for the Excel file. So I have kept my Excel file in this location. You can also choose one of the locations to keep. So in this Excel file, basically, it contains data about Adventure Work Sales. This is the data provided by Microsoft for all their data related tools to explore and have the features to check around. So there are around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, totally 7 tabs, which represent 7 different tables of Adventure Work Sales. We can use all these 7 tables in Excel file to connect and explore about Power BI. So coming back to Power BI desktop over here, just ignoring all the pop-ups, we can basically connect the Excel file in two different ways. One is through Power BI front-end screen, which is this one. In the front-end screen, mostly it consists of data modeling and writing measures in DAX and also connecting options. In other way where we can connect to the Excel files is through the Power BI backend. First, let's see how to connect Excel file in the Power BI front-end screen. In the Home tab, click the Excel workbook and select the location where the Excel file is present. Click on the Excel file and click on Open. You can see all the different tabs that's present in the Excel file. You can also see some of the additional tabs which is not present in the Excel file, as there are only 7 different tabs here, but you can see more number of tabs, which is basically nothing but like these are just some temporary files. So now I want to connect to customer underscore data that is present in Adventure Work Sales. So now I click on customer underscore data and I click on load. Before loading, when you select the customer underscore data, you can have a quick review of what is present in the data set. You can see some different columns are there and also some 50 to 100 rows as a preview of what's present inside the data set. Click on load. So once you click on load on the back end, it tries to create a connection between the Excel file and Power BI desktop, and it start loading the data. As you saw, like the quick pop-up showed like around 18,000 records were got loaded. Now you are on the report view. Click on the data view and you can see like the customer underscore data which we loaded from the Excel file. Customer underscore data got loaded over here, and now you can see there are around 18,485 records. To cross verify, if I go here and select number of records, there are totally 18,485, which is same as what we it was loaded in the Power BI desktop. Now let's see what is the other way to load the Excel file in Power BI desktop. So now let's go to the backend of the Power BI desktop. Click on transform data and again click on transform data. The screen that opens up over here, this is called as Power BI backend screen, which basically is a Power Query editor. In Power Query editor, you can do a lot of transformation, manipulation, all those kind of things through Power Query. For example, we have loaded the customer underscore data through Power BI front end screen. It is also present in the back end. So over here, you can see how the uh, data got connected to the Excel file to Power BI desktop. For example, all the options present over here are the options from Power Query Editor. We can see each of these options in the upcoming videos to basically understand how the connection got established between Excel file and Power BI desktop. Click on the customer data and after that click on advanced editor. Over here you can see the actual query or code behind how the connection got established. You can see over here the Power Query is calling the file that is present in this location, which is nothing but this one, and it's selecting a sheet called customer underscore data, which is this one, and rest of the options we will see later why it was auto generated. So click on done. So now there are six more tabs, six more tables which we need to load. So again click on new source, Excel workbook, and click on Adventure Work Sales. Over here, now except customer underscore data, click on rest of the tables. When I click each of these tables, I can see a short preview of what's present in those tables. You can notice on the right side. So I have selected all the six of them. Click OK. So now it tries to establish each of these tables connections. Over here, you can see all the six tables got loaded. So for example, if I click on date underscore data and click on advanced editor, you can see how the connection has been made. Everything will be same, just everything in the first two steps will be same, except the selection sheet, which is different. So that's how we have to connect Excel file through Power BI desktop. Click on close and apply. So once you click on close and apply, like the Power BI front end screen gets loaded based on whatever changes you have done in the backend. Like if you have applied some more new steps or something, all those gets refreshed over here. As of now, initially you saw only one table was there. Once the refresh screen got finished, you can see all the seven different tables over here. Now save the Power BI file in some location. I am going to save over here. I am going to save it as Excel connection. You can notice this is saved as .pbix. Click on save. That's it for this video. In this video, we saw how to create a connection between Excel file in Power BI desktop and how to load different tabs in one go as well in two different options. One is through Power Query Editor, one is through the front end screen. Thanks for watching.